Hey guys, today I'm doing unboxing and I do love unboxing. Today I received a package from Amazon and I ordered, let me show you, I ordered a cream. It is anti-aging cream and I'm very excited to try it out. Let's see. So it's right there in my package. Okay. And now I'm gonna tell you why I'm so excited to try this cream. First ingredient is aloe vera. It means it has more aloe vera than butter or anything else in this cream, and because of that it's supposed to make your skin more silky. And of course what I like is anti-aging cream, and who doesn't want to have amazing skin? I always do. And I ordered it from small family company and they just decided to do something different. And this cream is supposed to be very expensive because aloe vera is very expensive ingredient. Let me just quickly go on Amazon and I will one more time just confirm. So yes, it's $25 and I really think it's affordable. For $25 to have something that will really make your skin silky and help you to fight anti-aging process, I'm super excited to try. Okay guys, this is my unboxing. I can't wait to start using this amazing anti-aging cream, and I'm gonna do one more video in about 3 weeks or so, and I will tell you how I like it and what my thoughts about it and all that things. Guys, make sure to leave a comment if you tried already this cream, or if you have any other questions. I'll be always happy to answer. And if this video was fun, make sure to put thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see all the videos and all the updates in my life. Okay guys, see you soon!